How to create this text effect in Photoshop. First of all, add your text and increase its size. Then go to File, Place Embedded, and insert the image you want to use. Press Ctrl+T to resize it and fit it perfectly around the text. Now, select the subject and press Ctrl+J to create a copy. After that, add a layer mask to one of the layers and adjust the opacity to blend them nicely. Next, go to blending options. First apply outer glow, then inner shadow. Choose a suitable color and that's it. Your stylish text effect is ready. Thanks for watching.